Being prepared can reduce fear and anxiety. It can give you confidence and be ready to face new challenges in life. How to prepare for your online classes. Watch this video until the end. Hi, I'm Teacher Jastine. I started teaching offline in 2018. 2 years before that, I used to teach online and realized, hey, I want to teach offline. So I looked for a top school and I found CIP. And I made the right choice. I grew up a lot here. I miss a lot of things in teaching offline. I miss seeing the students around the school and I miss hanging out with them. I filled my room with my students' memories. The photos, the letters, and everything they gave to me. I love seeing it on my wall because it gives me warmth every time I see their smiles. I wouldn't say a lot, but there are some adjustments, especially the way we teach, because we have to use the internet a lot. It's very important to prepare before classes. Pre-reading is important because we can find what we have to focus on in the class and what to teach to the students. Before I start teaching, I make sure that I've already read their lessons, check my lesson tracker, and I'm already prepared to face them. For the student situation, they have to pre-read as well so that they can find whatever they need to ask their teachers. I go to work 30 minutes before the class. I check the internet connection. I open the program that I use, which is Zoom, and check all the materials that I need for my classes. Yes, of course. If I don't eat breakfast, my brain won't work well. Let me help you improve your English skills and TOEIC scores. I hope to see you one day in one of my classes.